Hey, Ryan Stilson. Today I'm going to talk to you about why I have chosen to start using GoHighLevel as my system for my pipeline, to keep track of my clients, but more importantly, to actually serve my client base even more effectively. And there's three main tools that I'm going to show you right now that are going to help my clients and help my team actually get better results for my clients as well, or for our clients. So let me just show you. I'm going to show my screen here just to kind of show you what's going on. So I'm going to go into Google here. Let me just go to Google Chrome. Okay, so here's, when I type in personal injury attorney Palm Beach Gardens, this is where I live. So I wanted to show you, in the top here is Google screen, okay? And then below that is Google Business Profile. Now it used to be called Google My Business. Now it's called Google Business Profile. So now what you want to do is you want to be able to, if you're a business owner and you're showing up here in Google screen, like let's say this Matthew, or if you're showing up in the business profile section here, then you want to be able to respond to those people as quickly as possible. And so the way to do that, and you can see here, they give you two options, okay? Number one, if I go into Matthew's listing here, you can see he's only got the option turned on to call. But if he actually turns on, like Steiger's doing here, the option to receive messages, then he is gonna get a 15% increase in the number of leads that he's getting. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why I am connecting with GoHighLevel, is because they pull in all of the message leads from Google Local Service Ads and Google Business Profiles, okay? So, and then not only that, but also any phone calls that you get from your website. And, okay, so you can see here, there's no chat button here, okay? So you can turn on the chat button, and that's gonna give you another boost, another opportunity to have somebody that doesn't wanna call, but they just wanna message your business, okay? That's gonna get them about a 10% bump in the number of leads just by turning that on. And when it's all in one place in GoHighLevel, you can have access to all of those messages. And you can even, with GoHighLevel, you can even set something up where if somebody calls that number, if they call you, you can even have GoHighLevel text them back, an automatic text back, okay? So that you can engage with that person in or via text. Okay, now let me just go into one of these businesses' websites or one of these firms. So if I go to their website, a third thing that I want you to see is all of these firms, almost every business, every attorney that I know has live chat. This is the other reason why I am connecting with GoHighLevel, because I can actually add live chat to my clients' websites, along with the functionality to have those calls answered if the firm or the intake team is not able to answer them, okay? So those are really, it's all about communication, okay? We can send our clients as many leads as we want to, but if they are not able or not assisted in converting them, they're not gonna convert them. So it's not just about providing a service now, it's about providing a service and providing them a way to actually convert those message leads from Google Business Profile, from local service ads, even from Facebook Messenger, from chat on your website, from phone calls where there's a text back. Those are all the reasons why I've chosen to use GoHighLevel for my current client base and any future clients that we bring on. It's gonna help us convert more of those leads that we get. So hope you're doing good. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.